open it up. Boom. All right, you guys. Now, I'm not going to lie. If y'all haven't played 007 GoldenEye, then you don't know about the golden gun. We have one right here. Taking off the container. All right. Now, the container is, it seems like 40 ounces max right there. All right. And then you got millimeters on the other side. Gasket right there. This is pretty cool. You could do your levels of foam. Clicks. Have your nozzle right here. Trigger. And then if you need to keep it on, you don't want to hold it down. Trigger stabilizer right there. They left us with a quick connect, and y'all know I love quick connects, right? Gaskets and O-rings. They already have a gasket on here. Quick connect it on, and then that will be done. If you needed to go a little tighter, you can put like a wrench right here. It has a little flat spot on here. We could put a wrench, give it a little turn. That way you don't have no leaks if it's not all the way to the washer. And that's it. So let's go ahead and check it out. I'm gonna put 1 ounce of soap in here. Add 1 to 2 ounces of extreme body wash to around 4 gallons of water. That's if you're using a bucket. Where is a foam cannon? A 1 ounce is to extreme body wash and wax to Chemical Guys foam cannon or foam gun. So we adding 1 ounce to a foam gun. Now, I'm not going to go around and do all of that again, you guys. I'm just going to show y'all how this operates. Okay? So, you put your basin on, okay? And then you have your nozzles right here. So you have off, which is plain water. So this is going to shoot out plain water. You see no water coming in? All right. So you have different levels. You got 1. That's for level 1. And you see how much soap comes out for level 1. All right. That's level 1. Level 2. Definitely more foam. And then we're going to go to level 3. And yes, you guys, 1 ounce lasted the whole car, okay? Even on level 3. All right, and again, if you done, you can leave your soap here and go to off and rinse it down. Now, it don't say off on here, but you kind of get the point. It says something there. It has a name right there, but it don't say off. But we're going to say off. And you can rinse it down. And nothing here is being touched. You can actually use this for your next car wash. All right, and that will be all, ladies and gentlemen. So again, last time, you can do your adjustments here. Turn it all the way off from here. Righty is turning it on, right? If you need to take this whole piece off, just turn it off, all right? You want to take all of this off. Basically, you turn, and then it comes off, but we're going to turn it back on. Make sure everything's good. We'll leave it like that. If you need to hold it down, there you go. And that will be it, ladies and gentlemen. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section, and I'll get back to y'all as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.